There are more than 12 million e-commerce businesses in the world. If you want to differentiate yourself from them, then you need to have the strategy that will take you beyond Google, beyond Facebook, and so much more. Well, my name is Rana Chayant. I'm the Vice President at HiCoder. I discuss with businesses that how they can grow. I understand their problems and suggest the technology based on that. Well, in this video, we are going to discuss about how some of the processes which we follow at HiCoder builds great website, and I welcome you to understand this. This will be a very quick and very headline focused kind of video which will allow you to understand it. So very first thing which we understand is what is the purpose, what is the reason you want to build your e-commerce. And once you tell us the purpose, we try to understand which platforms which you are considering to. And if you have considered WordPress already, then that's great. We expertise that, it will build it for you. And then we try to understand how we'll be doing the order processing. Are you going to do it from the order itself, or you are going to have some kind of product management system behind it which will connect with it, something like Odoo or something like any centralized system which you want to integrate with. Once that is done, then we try to understand your design philosophy, branding philosophy, that how do you want to present your brand, what is the positioning which you're considering to do. And then once that is done, then we try to go forward and understand the scope of work. How many products are you going to sell? How many pages are you expecting to be for your homepage, category pages, and any other page which you want to do? Are you going to run any specific type of marketing? Are you going to do any kind of giveaways? Are you going to have any blog? Are you going to have any news section? Are you going to have any blog? And after understanding this, we define a project requirement document and we define it to you. And once that is done, then we define a duration of it. And we try to understand the duration. If you got more time, the budget can be lesser. If you have less time, then the budget can be higher. What kind of resources you are willing to have on this? Are you willing to have experienced people or just minor people? So basically, depending on the resource, we do this configuration and we give you a final quote. Once this is done, then the project starts. And while this happens, there is one important thing which I want to mention here is this question of how you are going to do marketing will be very important, and it will be asked by us, because there are a lot of businesses which starts on Shopify and they start they try to sell online, but unless they are clear with marketing, it becomes very challenging to understand it. That means that you have to understand that just starting an e-commerce doesn't solve the problem. You have to understand marketing. And at HiCoder, we try to understand this, and we try to put the base technologies at the ground itself, so that once you are on your marketing stage, you don't have to come and redo the work. So we make the base ready for you, so you can go and advertise on social media, you can advertise on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, anywhere you want, or you can just integrate with any other kind of system. You can do remarketing, you can do API integration, and there are a lot of stuff involved here. So as you give us more information, we try to understand it, we try to define the scope, and we build the project which you are willing to have. And the systems we build, it lasts for years and years, and we just don't build and give it to you. We build it. If you want to take it, take it. If you want us to manage it, we do that. You want us to update it, we do that. You want us to secure that, we do that. You want us to scale it, we do that too. That means that today when you start your business, you are on a small server, but tomorrow you start getting thousands and thousands of orders, and you want your server to be really fast. We can push it to cloud, AWS, Google, anywhere you want to. So we push it, we manage it, and when we are with you, you don't have to worry about tech. That means that you got the right team. It will be in your time. We will understand your scope and we'll try to execute it. And just like any other company, like Google, Facebook, Amazon, all these companies have big offices here in India, in Hyderabad, Bangalore, in Delhi, they have these offices. They talk with the government, and they get all these resources. But as a small business owner, you won't be able to do that. It will be very complex and expensive, and you don't have that much of budget to do that. So this is where HiCoder comes in the picture, giving you whole service and remotely. And remotely, if you want physical people, that would be something which we can discuss too. And once this is done, then your pain of managing tech gets reduced, and you can focus on your business, on your product, on your marketing. And that is something which we deliver. So if you are someone who is looking to have this wholesome service, fill the form below, let us do a meeting and understand your requirement, and we'll try to take it further from there. And let's see how we can help you and how you can help us. I'm excited for your business. Let's see there.